For today's recipe, we're making these chewy white chocolate strawberry blondies, which are the perfect easy treat for Valentine's Day. In a medium bowl, combine 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Whisk this until everything is well combined. In the bowl of a food processor or chopper, combine 1/3 of a cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of freeze-dried strawberries. Pulse this until you are left with a fine powder. You could also do this in a blender, or you could even do this in a plastic bag using a rolling pin. We're going to transfer our strawberry white sugar mixture into a large bowl. Next, add 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar and 1/2 cup of melted salted butter that has cooled slightly. Mix this using a whisk for 2 minutes or until everything is well combined. As always, all of these instructions and the full recipe can also be found down in the description box below. Next, I'm going to add in 1 large room temperature egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to continue whisking this for another 3 minutes. You could also use a hand or a stand mixer if you would prefer. Once this is nice and pale and fluffy, then we know that it's ready for us to add in our dry ingredients. So we're just going to sprinkle those over top along with 2 tablespoons of our sprinkles. Next, using a spatula, mix this until it is just combined. Don't worry if there's a few little flecks of flour, because now we're going to add in 2/3 of a cup of white chocolate chips. We're going to stir until these are combined and no bits of flour are remaining. I have a lightly greased 8" by 8" pan, and I'm going to transfer my cookie dough in. Using my spatula, I'm just going to press it down evenly into my pan. Now I'm going to take the remaining 2 tablespoons of sprinkles and just place those on the top. Bake the strawberry blondies in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for about 18 minutes. Take them out when the edges are golden brown. Use a metal spatula to loosen the edges, and then we're going to have to allow these blondies to sit for about 20 minutes and cool down. Then we can remove them from the pan and slice. The Valentine's Day sprinkles add such a fun, playful vibe to these easy white chocolate strawberry blondies. The freeze-dried strawberries add a wonderful flavor, and these have such a nice chewy texture with a crispy outer edge. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and as always, thanks so much for watching.